Welcome to our guide on how to submit business receipts on the Docyt app for iOS. Let's begin. Open the Docyt app on your mobile and log in. Tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen in iOS to take a photo of the receipt. Tap on Business Receipt from the list that pops up for sending photos of receipts that will be taken in the next steps to Receipt List. Align the receipt within the camera frame, making sure it is fully visible and legible, and take a picture by tapping on the white circle at the bottom of the screen. After you take the photo, you can adjust the image by dragging the dots on each corner of the square to adjust its size and position it over the area of the image that you want to keep. Once you have adjusted the image, tap on Accept Scan to proceed. Tap white circle icon if you have more receipts to scan. Otherwise, tap Done. If you have more than one business in Docyt, tap the name of the business you are adding the receipt for. A text box to add memo related to receipt will be displayed. Update the memo field if you want to add a note or description of the receipt. Tap Skip if you do not want to add any text. If you added text, then tap Save. Document is being uploaded progress bar will be displayed. Wait until the progress bar completely turns blue. A success message will appear when receipts are sent to the receipt list of the particular business selected. And there you have it. You have now learned how to submit business receipts on your Docyt mobile app for iOS. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.